Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Synaptic Package Manager in Linux. On this machine I have installed PC Linux OS. So let me show you the information about my system. I am using PC Linux OS 2019 with KDE Plasma 5.15. PC Linux OS is a very simple and easy to use Linux distribution for home users, and on this machine I have found it very fast and stable and everything is working really great. So let's see how you can use Synaptic Package Manager to install uninstall packages in PC Linux OS. So if I go to Start menu, Software Center, you can see this option Synaptic Package Manager. Now I need to click on this and let's enter password. Now here you can see options. You have 4 options here, 4 buttons to check sections, status, search results and custom filters. So you need to go to status, and now you can see options, all, installed and some other options. So now if you want to search for all of the installed packages, you can search for Chrome. And here you can see Google Chrome stable is available, but it is not installed. Now if you go to status again, go to install, and you can see all of the packages installed on this system. Now let's search for DD. And here you can see DD copy. This is a free software for Linux to create writable, bootable ISO image files. So now if you want to uninstall this, you just need to select this and click mark for reinstallation, or you can mark for removal. Now it has been marked for removal. You will have to click on this apply button to remove this, or you can also go back and click and check the unmarked box. Now if you want to search or install any application, you need to search in the search box. Let's try to search Audacity, and now you can see Audacity is available. It is a free audio editor with effects and analysis tools. Now if you want to install it, check this box, and now you can see this option mark for installation. Now let's click on this mark for installation, click mark, and now you will have to click on this apply button to apply your changes. Now you can see a short summary and click apply. Now you can see this option downloading package files. So it will take around a minute to complete the installation at this download rate. And once our installation is complete, you will be able to use Audacity to edit your audio files. You cannot edit video files, but you can use Kdenlive and other video editors to edit your videos on Linux. Personally, I really like this home distribution. It has a dark theme, but you can also choose from these different available themes. If you prefer light, you can change, or you can choose light theme as well. We also have some multiple partitions on this system. You can see a 29 GB, 44 GB and n other volume. And once our package has been installed, we can go and search for Audacity, and here you can see it has been installed. And now you can use Audacity to edit your audio files. It's very simple and easy. So this is how you can easily use Audacity. This is how you can easily use the Synaptic Package Manager to search and install your favorite packages, or you can also uninstall packages. Thank you very much for watching this video.